My name is Tegan White, and I will be explaining the carbon cycle. The sun provides the earth with energy through UV rays along with physical light. The plants have chloroplasts, which allows the chlorophyll to penetrate. This creates water, which then splits into two and creates oxygen. Hydrogen that is left is converted to CO2, which makes sugar the plants use to produce cellulose. Bacteria called Rhamnosus breaks down the cellulose. As this is happening, cows are always breathing in oxygen that was made by the plant. The oxygen the cow is breathing and the sugars in his molecules create more energy in the mitochondria. ATP cellular energy fuels the cow as she grazes, walks the pasture, or any other activity she chooses to do. The sugar that is burned makes more CO2, which is released back into the air, and the water turns into urine the cows expel from its body. This CO2 is made back into chloroplast, which is turned into sugar using the energy from the sunlight.